IBM Cognos Analytics provides a modern, intuitive platform for your organization's business intelligence needs. From the Welcome portal, you can revisit recently viewed content, such as reports and dashboards. You can drag and drop files that can be used as data sources. You can easily access useful reference material, such as instructional videos and product support documentation. From the navigation pane on the left, you can step through the various folders and subfolders to find where your reports are located. You have your own private folder where you can create personalized copies of content. If you're not sure where an object is, you can perform a keyword search and even apply filters to focus your results. If you have authoring capabilities, you can easily launch the tools you need to create and share content across your organization. Cognos Analytics provides a plethora of intuitive visualizations to illustrate your data. You can illustrate data by geographic location, such as zip code and latitude, longitude. You can plot values by saturating a specific region or by specific data point, or a combination of both. You can develop highly structured reports with a variety of visualizations to provide a wide array of perspectives, trend indicators, gauge charts, data tables, tree maps, and more. In addition to simply viewing your reports, you can interact with them via on-page filters, and you may even be able to apply specific filtering criteria to select visualizations. In addition to highly structured reports, in Cognos Analytics, you can develop highly engaging, visually rich dashboards with multiple interactive visualizations to provide a fluid, customizable data exploration and analysis experience for the end user. In this example, we have 3 different visualizations, and as soon as I start interacting with one visualization, I see the others react. I can see that interaction happens no matter which visualization I happen to interact with. I have multiple tabs providing different perspectives on a similar or related data set. If I wanted to change the way a particular visualization is represented, I can do so by interacting with that visualization and choosing to explore different visualization types to determine how best I want to view that data. Editing a dashboard is very easy. I can simply go into edit mode, move and resize my existing visualizations, and supposing I wanted to add another field by which to focus my content, I can easily drag that in, and Cognos Analytics will create a visualization for me. And I can see that as soon as I begin interacting with that visualization, others on the page are linked to it. The more you interact with and explore your data using Cognos Analytics, the better insight and value you'll gain from it, and the better you can contribute to the data-driven decision-making processes within your organization.